All right, we're all done. Got the hazards on. Left turn signal's working. Right turn signal's working. Okay, new day, new project. We've got from American Adventure Labs. Splicing, or not splicing, but ready connecting connectors for the turn signals, DRLs, that are going to be used for the DC designs, D and C designs, I guess. Replacement cowls with trail lights and turn signals. So we're going to go ahead and get these installed on old HERETIC and see how they look. Okay, so we've got the wheel well out. We've got our lead run down there to bring the wires up. I didn't take the fender off, I just took the liner out. Eventually I'm getting new fenders and liners, so I'm not really too concerned about this. Plus, as you can see, this is the fender that took the damage from the tip over in Arkansas. So, and there's the connector, and we've got it unhooked from the frame and undone, and now we're going to plug in the inline connector and test the wires just to make sure they're good, and then we will start installing. So the inline connector went in just fine. We've got it put in there. I put a little shrink wrap right on there, then we put some corrugated wire protector on there. We got our line, and this is the Eco Diesel, so it's a little different, but I just snuck it down behind the battery box, so it'll go right up behind where it was connected, and we'll get that up there and get it hooked in. I did do a test before I did that up just to make sure that everything was working, and it was, so we should be good to go. Gotta put this fender well back in. We got the wires out. Gotta get the cowl light in, get that wired up, and then wire them to the Vo switch box. Okay, we got one side done, back together, got the light on, tested it, works just like it should. Got watertight disconnect plugs in there so we can take it off easy if we want to. And I know that gap looks like crack, but I don't have to put it all the way down because I got to put it the Jeep in the other side of the garage and do the driver's side. So let's get that. All right, so pro tip. Almost every video I've ever seen says you need to drill out these rivets to take the inner fender liner out without taking the fender off. And there's only 3 spots on this inner fender that these rivets actually hold it, and that's here, here, and here. And you can just pull them out, and they're secured in so many other spots it doesn't really matter. So if you want to pull your fender off and risk breaking those clips, and you can get those clips at your Jeep dealership or online at Quadratech or Northridge 4x4, Extreme Terrain 4-wheel parts, you can get them and replace them. But for just 3 of those, to me, it's just not really worth it because they don't really do all that much to hold that inner fender in place. So do what you will. All right, we're all done. Got the hazards on. Left turn signal's working. Right turn signal's working. Turn the hazards off. And there's the Vo switch here. Oops, had that on. I got them wired to separate switches. And there we got one. And let's hope we have 2. And we got 2. And everything's good. And the only thing left is to put the stickers on the Vo switch. So that's it. 2 projects with 1 teardown. That's pretty good. We got the D&C Designs cowl lights put on, We've got the American Adventure Lab inline connectors on, so we actually have another power line for lighted halos, but I got the LED light, so I have halos. But we could run something else for driving lights if we wanted to use that. And then we also got the diesel engine block heater cord put in that I've had forever. So, good day.